Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start in Edge, open the three-dot menu and choose Settings so you can change what appears on Startup and New tabs. Once in Settings, go directly to the section labeled Start, Home, and New Tabs or New Tab page depending on your build. This is where Edge controls content. Make sure you're signed into your Microsoft account if you want changes synced, but you can proceed locally. Now you're ready to change layout and content options that control news. Once done, choose a layout like focused or custom rather than content-heavy options so news panels disappear. Then open Content Settings and set content to content off or select focus to reduce cards. This directly removes news feeds. Make sure to disable any toggles labeled Show News and Interests, Personalized Content, or Discover. Those enable the feed. If you used custom layout, explicitly uncheck News or Microsoft Start Modules so the home page remains clean. Now finish by restarting Edge and opening a new tab to verify the home page no longer shows news. This confirms your layout and content choices took effect. If news still appears, clear Edge's cache or reset the new tab settings because cached preferences can persist. Finally, if sync keeps reintroducing news, sign into your Microsoft account and change the synced new tab preferences or temporarily disable sync.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.